This is a crypto emergency video. Cryptos are crashing like crazy. We have not seen a crash like this in a very long time. What the heck is happening? Should you be worried? Should you be selling? Should you be panic selling? Should you be panic buying? In this video, we're going to be talking about all of this and more. So make sure you smash up the like button like you've never smashed it up before. Subscribe if you are new to the channel with notifications on, and let me know in the comments below. Are you buying this dip? Are you staying out of the market? Let me know what you all are doing in the comments below. So if we go to CoinMarketCap, we can see Bitcoin is down 10% in less than 24 hours. That's pretty wild. Ethereum down 9%. We have Solana down 10%. We have Dogecoin down 5%. Shiba Inu down 9%. So we see cryptos have certainly gone down a lot. And the reason for this is because the US dollar has been pumping, which is measured called the DXY. It's called the DXY, which is the US dollar index. And the US dollar index has basically reached an all-time high today and literally pumped all day long. And it recently stopped just about this last hour while cryptos are still crashing at this point. Maybe by the time you watch this video, cryptos will have been bounced and bounced up a lot. Who knows? Probably very likely. So when the US dollar pumps, cryptos literally do the opposite. So if we take a look at Bitcoin, we can see Bitcoin dumped, while the US dollar, we took a look at the opposite chart, we see the US dollar pumping. So if you really want to understand where the crypto market is headed, you need to follow the DXY and also Bitcoin. These two correlate just the opposite, but the US dollar is starting to crash right now, and there has been a lot of liquidations. That's why cryptos have gone down a lot really fast. There's a lot of economical news out there. Yesterday with the Fed meeting, raising interest rates, the balance sheet, there wasn't so good news in Europe with their inflation, and that is what is causing this dump today. Now, Bitcoin and cryptos were looking extremely bullish until this morning or last night. They were looking very bullish. Bitcoin was breaking out with massive confirmation. This is a huge sign for altcoin holders. If you hold Dogecoin Shiba Inu, when Bitcoin pumps and starts to break out in a very bullish way, as we have witnessed, this is a very good thing for cryptos and altcoins. But look at this, Bitcoin broke all the way down outside of the pattern. That is extremely bearish. But I do have some good news for you. So yes, cryptos have crashed today. They've gone down a lot. But whenever cryptos go down really fast, that generally means, people are panicking and fearful, and people believe that it's going to go down a lot further. And that's usually when things begin to pick up. Unfortunately, yes, we did erase the gains from yesterday, but in the Patreon, if you follow the tier 3 alerts, you would have bought cryptocurrencies, especially Ethereum, and we also bought Cardano. At the dip, we made about 6%, and we got out in this exact top here, and then we rebought back the bottom here. So we saved ourselves a lot of money. We've made ourselves a lot of money. We exited the market and bought the dip after the crash. Very awesome things to happen, and the market is overall bearish. We are in a bear market, but yesterday there was a sign that we were potentially going to break out of it. That did not happen according to plan. But whenever there are really big crashes in the crypto market, that does mean that cryptos are at a massive discount. And when cryptos are at a massive discount, that causes a lot of buyers to come in and to buy the dip up, which is happening as I am making this video. We will have to see how long this actually lasts. But as we can tell, cryptos have appeared to maybe bottom out at this support level, and altcoins are probably going to start to bounce up from here very, very fast, as happens with every major dip. Usually after a major dip, there is a bounce. Hopefully we can have some green for the rest of this evening, and tomorrow there should be a relief bounce or a relief rally. That would be the best possible scenario for us to have versus us continually going down. But if we actually zoom out, I can show you all that Bitcoin is still bullish. If we zoom out the longer time frames, Bitcoin is bullish. It is making higher lows. As I can show you, here's the low with the major crash over here, Bitcoin all the way to 32K. Another low about 34K, and to this current low about 36K. Let's just call it 36K. So we are seeing higher highs and higher lows if we zoom out. Bitcoin is certainly due for a bounce, but this major red candle, of course, happened because of economical news, is very bearish. So that is probably an indication that we are going to head lower, and very likely going to be heading lower. This is certainly a strong possibility. But if we do zoom out, of course, Bitcoin is still in an uptrend. But if we zoom in, what's happening and the way Bitcoin is breaking down and cryptocurrencies are breaking down is not a very good sign at all, and a bearish sign at that. But because there has been a major crash today, usually after every major crash, there is somewhat of a bounce. Doesn't mean that we're going to be entering back into the bull market anytime soon, which could happen, of course, at any second. This is not financial advice, just my own opinion. But we do know whenever there are very big crashes, there are bounces. So I am expecting a little bit of a bounce, and for us to probably continue this bearish momentum until we reach some type of bottom. But today literally could have been the bottom. Let me know if you think today was the bottom. I personally don't think it is the bottom, but I do personally think that cryptocurrencies are reaching near the bottom. Now we're getting very, very close. Each and every day we are getting close to the bottom. Now, if you want to get access to these trade alerts, go ahead and join the Patreon at my top pinned comment or in my video description, where you can get trade alerts when to buy and to sell, when to get out of the market before it crashes, when to buy the dips. You can follow and copy all of my exact trades, even speak to me on the phone. And also, if you want to learn technical analysis like I do, you can watch my video course series at MYLESGinvestments.com. Sign up for the course, definitely check it out. It's amazing. You will learn so much. A lot of great positive feedback with that. You can even sign up for a consultation where I can teach you one-on-one on my website as well. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. You all have a great night.